In this video, we take a look at the generic solar car alarm light, an anti-theft device designed to protect your vehicle in parking lots or garages. This unit is equipped with a high-efficiency photovoltaic panel that converts sunlight into sustainable energy, ensuring it operates without needing a power outlet. Its sealed, weather-resistant design makes it ideal for outdoor use. The alarm light features dynamic frequency control with a realistic strobe simulation, creating a visual deterrent that works 24 hours a day, even in poor visibility conditions. Charging is hassle-free thanks to USB solar support, so you can keep it running without frequent maintenance. The energy-efficient design includes a light sensor and night activation mode, conserving battery during the day and activating at dusk. An intelligent sensor detects movement and triggers an automatic flash alert, scaring off potential intruders. Whether you park on the street, in a driveway, or a parking lot, this device adds a layer of visible protection. Installation is simple. Just place it on the dashboard or mount it near the windshield. It's a great low-cost solution for anyone concerned about car theft. Overall, this solar car alarm light delivers on its promise of easy, solar-powered security. If you're looking for an affordable way to deter thieves, this is worth considering.